In this video, I will cover the essential functionality of the PlantMaster plugin within Vectorworks. To start, we'll open the plugin by going up to Tools, Partner Products, and then PlantMaster. This will open a modal window where you will be asked to log into PlantMaster. I have already logged in, and so I am presented with this custom modal that will allow me to perform some basic operations to transfer data between the two applications. First, I can choose to send individual plants by this first block here. And this will take me to, at first, the regular search page where I can hunt and find any plant that I want and manually click to add them to my current open file in Vectorworks. I can also go back up to the Vectorworks modal, and I can choose to send my current project within PlantMaster as a whole to Vectorworks. So in this case, I have a test project of 5, and I have just a basic empty document in Vectorworks open right now. So you can see which project you're sending from and where and what file it will be going to. If you had made some recent changes and they don't seem to be reflected in here, even though this does check about every 30 seconds or so, you can also click to refresh the data just to double check to make sure that you're using the latest. Once everything looks good, you can choose to click Update Vectorworks, and this will then send the plant data to Vectorworks. You will get a confirmation window here to confirm the plant symbols or plant styles, excuse me, that it will be pairing with to create your final plant style in the project file. In this case, I have already matched the first 4 plants of my project with styles that I have chosen from previously, and it will remember those going forward. This last one has not, and so it will demonstrate how to change that if you wish. So I will click on the current style, and then I can do the normal folder structure to go find a specific one. I can do a search. In this case, I'll just do tree lilac, and then pick something close. I'll choose this one. And if I do choose to set this option as default, that's not necessarily true for this particular plant. That's for all plants going forward. So I'm going to leave this blank for now and just leave it with the symbol I picked for jacaranda. And now when I go ahead and import the plants, I will be able to see them under my open files in the resource manager. So here are my 5 plant options, and I can go ahead and just minimize my plugin for now, and I can create a very, very basic plan. Please don't use me as a reference guide for any kind of special styles. Okay, so I've got my plant design going, and now let's say that this is my final design, and I want to get the plant totals back into PlantMaster. Well, I can come back to my plugin window. I can click on the import schedule. Okay, and then I can just double check. I'm going to click refresh data, and what it's going to do is it's going to show me what's going to get updated. So I've got my 5 plants, and we can see that the action is going to be update. So that seems to be correct, and so we will go ahead and click import. Okay, and once that comes through, I can go and confirm my plant totals by going into my build section of the project, and I can see that the jacaranda came in with 1, the lantana with 1, and then the rest with 2. So these should accurately reflect from your design. And that is basically the 3 main ways to operate this plugin. Additionally, even though you can utilize PlantMaster from within this plugin modal, we recommend that further actions within PlantMaster for your actual maintaining your projects and other stuff like that, and printing out, for example, presentations, etc. We recommend that you do that through a browser in a separate window, and try to keep the plugin for just sending data between your 2 systems.